Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to reinstall Windows 11 so you can fix your problems, reset or start afresh. So if you have such a situation, just simply go over to your Windows button on your taskbar, then locate settings by clicking on settings, or of course searching for settings right here. Now it's going to take you to your settings panel. Go ahead and click on system. Now once you click on system, you still have some options. You're going to scroll down and look for recovery. Click on recovery, and here you have some options to work with. The first option is to quickly click on fix problems without resetting your PC. If this doesn't work, you could go ahead and click on fix problems without using Windows Update. You can click on reinstall now, and this will repair components and system files. Click on OK to proceed, and that will get you on your way to try to fix some problems. If that doesn't work as well, you can go over to the recovery options and you have reset this PC. Now this option will help you reset and start afresh. So go ahead and click on reset PC, and you have the option to choose if you'd like to keep your files or remove everything. Now of course, if you'd like to start afresh, you can click on remove everything, and then from here you'll be on your way to start the process and complete it by reinstalling your Windows 11. So these are the options available if you'd like to reinstall Windows 11, fix problems or reset and start afresh.